Today I would like to share with you these metal zip ties gun tools. This is our tools. First I would like to explain to you one by one, then show you a real example. This is our gun. Okay. This is cable tie. They send two different sizes. This is one size, short one. This is the long one. This is holding the cable tie like that. I'm going to show you. This one you can release the steel cable tie, and open. This is like a box. You can put it this cable tie or the other stuff, and this is you can carry the steel cable tie like that. It's easy to carry. Look. Open like that, put it, look, when you need, take out this one. These are our tools. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Now I'll like to show you how to do it. First our stainless tie. Try a little bit, then the gun, insert the tie like that, then do it until they tighten up. Look, this is tighten up. Okay, now this one, just pull like that. Okay, now I would like to tighten up my plant to that metal stick. Look, first it like that. Okay, gun. Okay, then tighten up. Okay, then this one, look, it's so useful and it's easy. Okay, I would like to show you another example too. Stick like that. Okay, then tighten up. Okay, like that. Look at until they tighten up. Okay, then this one, pull. Look, it's easy and strong. The kit also comes, as I said before, 200 stainless steel zip ties in two different sizes, so you have plenty of use right away. The metal ties feel strong. They are good choice for outdoor job because they don't rust easily. I think this tool is very useful for working on fans, pipes, cable management, or other repair project where plastic zip ties aren't enough strong. Also, the handle feels comfortable even after using for a while.